Excellent, it's working. Let's see, where was I? I want to save this. Now let's see. Yarn start. Computer is starting to run hot. Perfect. And let's see. Oh no. Gocommerce / Gocommerce. This to push origin Swiss milestone 1. With checkout -b Swiss milestone 2. Okay, close enough. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's find this. Fork me on GitHub. Fork on GitHub banner. Let's see if there's a React for this. React GitHub fork ribbon. Perfect. Sure. Let's see. Perfect. So we go here, yarn add React GitHub fork ribbon. Okay. Stop. Ow. Okay, so we installed fork ribbon and now we go into layouts index. Here we have React. We say import GitHub fork ribbon from React GitHub fork ribbon. And I guess I just put it on here. GitHub fork ribbon, position is right, color equals, let's say, green, ref is that, and target is _blank. Forking on GitHub. And for my ref we need this one. Complains the linter keeps complaining about alphabetizing everything. Now let's see, yarn start. Okay. Now localhost 3000, did the ribbon show up? Come on, run, Tinger. Why is it so slow today? This isn't even using that much CPU. Perfect, fork me on GitHub has showed up. Let's move it to the left because we have important controls on the right. These guys. Oh. Color green, position left. Excellent. Should it be green or should it be red? Maybe orange? No, I like green. Okay. Git add dot, git cz, fork on GitHub ribbon. Wonderful. Added that. To essential shoes and summer colors to summer accessories. Git grep, essential handbags. Nav Redux index. Essential essential handbags becomes essential shoes. Okay, and I hope that's still going to work. Summer colors, shoes, summer colors because summer accessories. Okay, I'm not actually sure where I changed that. Essential shoes. Where does it say essential shoes? That didn't work. I have no idea where essential shoes shows up. But I changed it. Okay. Did that. Product tags change 100% static in bullet point description to 100% pre-built. Okay. Git grep 100% static. Git grep static. In bullet point description to 100% pre-built. Okay, let's see. Oh, here it is. Git grep 100% static. Wonderful. Okay, Angular MD pre-built pre-built dr. Let's do it this way. Perp. Okay. We'll change this to pre-built and save in here. Wonderful. So this is kind of, whoever built this is an annoying way to do it. I'm sure there's a way to trick Gatsby into thinking all of these things are separate nodes, but whatever. Okay. Wonderful, did that. Brr. Okay. Right, let's see. Left, right arrows to carousel. So we have the carousel here. Now, let's see. Actually, let's do the links in the footer first. Git grab footer, or let's see. Footer JSX, wonderful. Okay, I guess that already works. Where does it say Netlify? Why doesn't this work? It looks like it should work. Oh, because it says source instead of href. Lol. Href. Wonderful. Okay. Let's change this to href. Ref, and here we change source becomes ref. Oh, come on, ref. Change. Now links. go tell and AWS Lambda. Instead of serverless, it says go true and becomes like this. Go Netlify CMS becomes this. Go theater goes like this. Okay, now we have about Jamstack. About Jamstack. Okay, let's actually just change it here as well. View code in GitHub, that has to change. Change. Next. Change. Okay. Now let's get the GitHub link again. Where is it? View code on GitHub. Where are you? This one. Okay. Now about Jamstack, jamstack.org. Jamstack Radio podcast. Jamstack meetups. I did not know that was a thing. Link to self for training. Okay. Come on. Then we have created by Netlify. Ref like that. And real world React. Like that. Wonderful. Okay, so we've updated a bunch of things. Git add dot. Git cz. Fix. Update a bunch of copy. Perfect. Comment done. Okay. Now, let's figure out how to do the carousel. Carousel. How does the carousel work? View pager. React view pager. Okay. Progress page. Okay, let's see. How does React view pager work? Okay, so it's still use at your own risk. Blah. Use at your own risk, even though the last commits have been a year ago. Gotta love JavaScript. How do I show errors? Jesus, computer, why are you so... What are you doing? It's not that bad. Okay. So let's see. Where is the carousel here? Ah, there we go. Carousel, give me arrows. Right, why are there no arrows? Quite annoying. Ah, here they are. Okay. So let's try to display these puppies. Okay, so we have what is track? Let's see if there's some better view here. Okay, so I have to make previous and next buttons, but I have to overlay them. God damn it. So let's try doing it this way. Let's make a button here. That is class name CX carousel left and a button for I wonder if we want to put them in the frame. Let's put them in the frame, that might be useful, or not. Let's put them here. Carousel right, and let's give them some input. Okay, let's see. Do the buttons show up? Yeah. So we have a button here and a button here. Wonderful. What if we put them in the frame? Like this. Let's say this is a div. Wonderful. Now let's open home model style carousel left, oh, carousel right, and instead of buttons they're gonna be images. So this little fucker needs to be exported. Come on. Okay, PNG, SVG, export to carousel left.svg. And carousel right SVG. Okay. Import carousel left from /carousel left.svg. Import carousel right from /carousel right.svg. Okay. And here we change them to image class name source equals carousel left image class name carousel right carousel right. Okay. Interesting. Now, let's see, how big are these things supposed to be? (41 × 41) width 41 pixels, height 41 pixels. It looks like I am coming down with something interesting. What do these images actually look like? Source features home carousel left. That's not very nice. It looks like these things are exporting weirdly. Okay, let's export them as PNGs. Carousel left.png. Is that better? It is better, okay. Export PNG. Carousel right.png. PNG. And instead of 41 pixels wide, they're going to be 20 pixels wide. Okay. Now, position absolute, left 0 pixels, and here position absolute, right 0 pixels. Wunderbar. And let's make them float. Let's make both of them float on top. Like this. It's gonna be the easiest approach. Okay. Now, we know how, we do not know how high this is. Okay. So they need to be top 50%. Top 50%. Let's see if that works. Wonderful. Minus 20 pixels. Does that work? New. What about calc 50% minus 20 pixels. Ooh. So we're using stylus calc. So I have to do it this way, and then it might work. Nope. Okay, we will do it the old-fashioned way. Top 50%, margin top minus 20 pixels. Excellent. See, good old CSS tricks still work. Let's see, do they actually work? Yeah, they do work. Okay. Okay, so we have that. Now I need to make on-click work. So on-click equals, let's see. I have no idea how to do this. Ah, we just update current view index. Okay. On click equals this dot priv. Okay, we just do this. This dot prev. And on click equals this dot next. I don't know what this is for. So here we say priv this set state current view is okay. Current view is this state current view -1, and it has to be okay, let's do it this way. Const current view equals this state current view, or let's just do it this way. Take current view from state, and then if current view is more than 0, then we set it to current view -1, otherwise we set it to current view, and that's previous. Next is const current view and banners. Where do we get banners? Banners is a global. Where am I? Const current view equals this dot state, this set state current view becomes current view plus 1 modulus banner.length. Banners. Okay, let's see if that works. Does not. Maybe onClick is not registering. Let's also make the cursor be a pointer. Okay, onClick is not firing, I would say. Let's see. Console.log previous. Yeah, okay, it's not detecting clicks. That is a problem. What if we move them out of the frame? Will that work? Ah, now they're there. Sure. Still not detecting onClick. I wonder why. Let's see. Console log hi. Okay, so it is detecting this. What if I say this.prev? Then it doesn't. Interesting. What if I do it this way? It says this.prev is not a function. But I defined it right here. Let's see. Okay, so it should be a function, yeah. Okay. Okay, so now it works. I have no idea what I changed. Yeah, let's see. Oh, maybe because I wasn't refreshing and hot loading was getting weird. Okay, so that works. Cool. If current view is less than banners.length. Oh, does it? Okay. If it's bigger than 0, it becomes that. Otherwise, it becomes banners.length minus 1. Okay. So now we have scrolling in both directions. It goes around. Let's move these suckers back in the frame that was here. like that, and let's see if that works. Okay. Yay, it still works. Gets kind of confusing with the slider, but actually let's see, can we turn off the automatic timeout? Okay, so how do I stop the timer when we start clicking? False. Okay. Set interval. Okay, and whenever we start clicking, we're just going to undo the interval. Clear this stop interval. Wonderful. Okay, so now when I click on this, it should stop automatically. Okay, I click, and now it's not going to automatically scroll anymore. Perfect. Okay, we added another useful thing. Commit get CZ. Carousel navigation arrows. Wonderful. Oh, in assets icons, I have not actually sure where that is. I'm sure there was a folder shared with me that I can't find right now. Wow, computer, you are really struggling today. Oh. Could you hear that? I'm not sure how loud that was. So I'm wondering how many people are here, just because I'm curious. I almost never stream this late at night, so it's hard for me to know. Oh, 4 people, nice. Okay, we got that. Now, what is the next thing? The 2 women below the sub banner left and sub banner right. Let's see, 2 ladies here. Git grab sub banner. They're not the same. Get up and running fast. Let's see, git grab get up and running. Subheader. Subheader 1 and subheader 2. I'm assuming these are the ladies. Subheader 1. Yep. Okay. And we're going to replace them with these guys. Sub banner. Ooh, much nicer. How do I download something? Download. Jamcommerce. Source. Features. Where are we? I guess this is home. Like this. It's gonna be easier if I just replace them than dealing with renaming things. These are much nicer images. Okay, reload. Wonderful. Okay, we changed that. Done. Now, where are the learn more links? Learn more. This should point to let's see what happens if I change it to an A. Ref equals /women/shoes. Okay, let's see if that works. Wonderful. Yes. Okay, we changed all of the learn mores. That was beautiful. Left align text in products page. Character and line spacing issues. Let's see. How much longer should I keep doing this? Probably gonna need to get some sleep at some point. Products page. Okay, so if we go to women's shoes, we need to left align text. I guess this one. Git grab revolution in products YAML. Okay, so products YAML. But what is this file? Product page. Products JSX, and it gets product still product content center, text align left. Wonderful. Line height 40 pixels for that one, and I guess 1.2 EM for this one. Let's see. Line height 1.1 EM, 1.2 EM, 1.3 EM. That looks nice, alright. So dot copy. Come on, I know you are dot copy. Dot copy. Product module. Why are there two of them? Copy 1.3 EM. Okay. Fixed this one. Guess these comments are getting rather silly, but fuck it. Hovering over a product image or its text on the women's shoes page should cause the slight zoom on the product photo. Currently, the zoom only works on hover over the image. Okay, let's see. So if I zoom on this, okay, let's see, what is this one? React tip, Gatsby link, class name image, product item. I wonder what's creating the hover effect. Git grep product minus item. That's in products module. Not sure why. Product item. Okay. So when we hover over the whole thing, okay, let's see, and hover image transform scale 3D image minus scale image minus scale image minus scale. Let's see if that works. The idea here is that I'm applying the image transition on scale, on hovering of the whole thing. So this still works. Yay. Wonderful. Update product callout at women's shoes to match design. A revolution in e-commerce. Wonderful. So, a revolution. Where does it say that? A woman's legs ankle callout. This should be an H2, an H1 perhaps. A revolution in e-commerce. Now how do I make it not break there? Am I even editing the right one? Yes, I am. Wonderful. Pixels and width 90%, just to make sure that it breaks a little bit better. 80% actually. So width should be this much, 280 pixels. Wonderful. Why is this line height no longer? Now, copy, or does it say copy? Let's do line height 2em. I think I'm doing the wrong one. Oh shit. It's not the right one. Copy. Line height 1.5 em, border 1 pix, solid red, just to see that I'm editing the right thing. Yes, I am. Okay. Okay, that's that. Now, products should show 2 per row on mobile. Okay, sure the oh, that's gonna be a fun one. Products should show 2 per row on mobile. Do I dare look at what this looks like on mobile? It's not that bad. Okay, so it's terrible. How do I make this show up? Now, how the hell does this work on mobile? Perhaps this will be easier. Where? Okay. So now the thing that I can't figure out is how I can change how this works on mobile. Great. Oh, my music went away. If I click on this, we have Gatsby link, products module, content. Ah, wonderful. What does $below do? Functions $below. Okay, so what is row between? Row. Okay. Row justify between. Okay, that's cool. How do I make them smaller? So we have product item, which has these margins and paddings. Let's see. $product item should have a width of 50%. Or let's do 45%. And let's give it a border so that I know this is actually working. Okay, it is. But they're not stacking up. Why? What if I do with 20%? Aha! Okay, so if I do with 40%, then it should put 2 in the line. Wonderful. Now I just have to make sure that the images are smaller. Image max width 100%. Wonderful. Mm-hmm. Nah, okay. Cool. So that works. Now if I go back to responsive, it looks nice like this. Wonderful. Okay, so that part was done. Now, hide elements below the carousel on homepage. Okay, let's commit what we have so far. Git that dot, git log, git cz, fix, UI polish, multiple items of UI polish. Wonderful. Git push, origin Swiss milestone 2. Wonderful. Hide elements below the carousel on homepage. Let's go to the homepage. What's the... There's this React lazy load plugin. Okay. React lazy load component. I know this exists. React lazy load. Wonderful. Cool fade-in effect. Excellent. So React lazy load is what I want. Okay. Yarn add React lazy load. I'm really liking my new classes. Okay, got this. So we installed React Lazy Load. Now we have to go wherever the carousel is being mounted, which I guess is home.jsx carousel, and here we do a import lazy load from React lazy load, and we add them just wherever. So subheader is let's say 620 lazy load, height equals 620, okay. Then we need to, well, the footer needs to stay, but what's the call out? Free and open source. Okay. Lazy load height equals, oh, I guess the whole thing. 650. Okay, let's see now how this works. The lazy load did nothing. What if we make the screen smaller? Let's see. If we make the screen even smaller. The problem is that this has a height, I think. So everything already loads. And just wrap this in a lazy load as well. No. What about, let's do it this way, iPhone 7. Oh. Yeah, I don't think this lazy load thing is working at all. Okay, not sure the lazy load here is working. I'm not sure how to make it work either. Okay. That needs to be fixed. Interesting. Okay, let's open footer. Footer JSX, and here title and byline, and created by git grab created by footer style created by a color white. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do this. I'm not sure it makes sense. What should be the spacing and wrapping alignment on mobile for the footer? Okay. This is a problem. How do I make this thing full width on mobile? Let's see. Home module carousel. Let's see, dollar below LG, say with 100% and border 1 pix solid red. No, come on, reload. Below MD. Plus below MD. There we go. Okay. Why is it doing that? Oh, interesting. Because this thing is too big. Okay. So, subheader container below image size plus dollar below MD, then size becomes, how big are these fuckers? 155 times 158. 138 pixels. Wonderful. Got that working. With 50%. Let's see. Yay! And now let's make these guys smaller. So H2 H2 needs to become font size 0.5 EM, 1 EM, 1.2 EM, mm-hmm. 45%. Yeah, better. Get up and running, and plus dollar below MD for copy. Font size becomes 1 EM. 0.8 EM. Wonderful. This product list. Where is this guy? Okay, where do I do these products? Home featured. Home module, and these are called featured, okay? So featured and with 40%. Wonderful. And image plus dollar below 1119 px, max width 100%. Wonderful. Okay, now these fuckers. No, right. So footer module here. Oof. How does this have to look on mobile? We have this thing. That is correct. View code on GitHub. It looks fine. I think this has already been fixed. Let's see. Jamstack newsletter is footer module content h3. Newsletter content below MD center 355px, and let's give it a top padding top of 50 pixels. Great. Oh, and it needs to right align. Cool. Then created by Netlify. No, it's fine. Cool. Get status, get add dot, get CZ. Mobile styling issues. Comment done. Okay. Now, item quantity modified on checkout. That could be interesting. Okay, so we have this drop down. What's it called? Value. Select selector. Interesting. Git grep selector. In cart table. Oh, let's close some of these fuckers. Cart table selector current quantity selector. Okay. Create options range n+1. What's the max quantity? Okay, git grab max quantity. Okay. Then we have product JSX where we set max quantity to 1. Product JSX max quantity. Let's set it to 4 by default. Okay, let's see. JSON lint. Let's see if there are max quantities in my cart. Max. Nope. Image size. Quantity 1. Okay, there are no max quantities here. So here when we're building the selector, say create options. Console log max is max quantity. What are we getting in here? Max is undefined. Okay. Max quantity or 4. Max should be 4. Perfect. So now if we create options for max quantity or 4, wait, is my camera not doing cameraing? There we go. So what are the options that it creates? Value 0, label 0, value. Okay, so why aren't they showing up? React select. Okay, what if we say the value is also string of n? Nope, that doesn't work. What if we don't pass in the other props? What if we take out the memoization? I don't think that's the problem, but it could be. Okay, let's see. If we create these options, when we print them out, we get arrays of 5, which is what we expect. So what is props? Okay, let's see. React select doesn't show all options. let's see, filter options equals false. No. Okay, what if we just copy some options from here? Let's see. One, two, and if we add another one, 3, 3, what happens now? Interesting. Okay, so it's still not showing more than 3. What if this is actually a sizing issue? Select menu outer. How do I freeze this again? So annoying. Is there a way to force it to stay open? On open, can I force it to stay open? Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, let's see that. So we go to React, we have this select, and we say is open is true. So now we can check how many elements there are. Okay, maybe not. Select menu outer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it does render everything, but the problem is that it is invisible. Excellent. So if we go to selector still, menu outer, z index 1,000,000. Let's see if that works. So the problem is that when I click this, while it is actually opening the entire menu, as you can see, it gets hidden. Okay, let's see if that works. Nope. Shouldn't be any max height. Interesting. But it doesn't want to break out of that. Why? I wonder if it's because this stuff is flexy. I think it's flexy at least, yeah. What if we say the selector is fixed? Nope. Z index break out of container. Okay. popping out of hidden overflow. Okay, I have no idea how to do this. But what if we say max height is 60 pixels? Are we gonna get a scroller? Because that kind of solves the problem. Nope. Width important. Let's try that. Although I don't think that's gonna be it. Nope. It gets cut off right here at max height 60 pixels, overflow Y auto. Let's see. That's one way to do it. Okay, now we're just gonna have to actually handle the onChange event. But I feel like I should probably go to bed now. Okay, let's see. Select. Let's see. Do we have map dispatch to props? Click on remove. We do have that. And change quantity. Change is change quantity, which change quantity prop types function. We mapped it in there. We get it from here and pass it. Oh, we already pass it in, so we have to change quantity. Now click on remove, export const change quantity equals create action types change quantity. types, change quantity, whatever. Okay. Okay, let's see. Or maybe not. Let's try change quantity here. And we also import those types. Let's see, types, change quantity, no, create cart meta, whatever that does. Cart types, change quantity. Okay, then we go into carts and we say change quantity, cart type is cart payload. Okay, now let's see. I need to figure out which reducer where is the cart reducer. Aha. Okay, we are going to do it here. So I'm going to know how does the remove item work? So removing an item does remove from cart. Remove from cart, and in the checkout epic, okay, git grep remove from cart is in the, there's a cart epic, perfect. Remove from cart. Export function change quantity action store and commerce, I guess. Return if not commerce, and empty, that makes sense. Then we actions pipe. Okay, now what are the actions that we pipe? Filter commerce actions, cart types dot change quantity, and we merge map. Type payload sku. I have no idea how this works. Catch commerce error, navigate cart init, add to cart, clear cart. Okay, add to cart looks like it might help. Okay, so the payload needs to be product and the new quantity, I think. So table, click on remove with the SKU. Where is on change is value, I guess. Okay, let's see first. Console log value. Yeah, let's hope that works. Okay, it doesn't. Cart epic, change quantity needs to get commented out for now. Table JSX, line 53. Value 0, label 0. Okay. So what we're getting is value, and we're going to call change quantity with the SKU and the value. So now here payload SKU, okay, let's do it this way. The payload is going to be SKU and value. So, we can just do it this way. SKU and value for change quantity. Okay, and then in the cart epic we get SKU and value out of our payload, and we return I have no idea how to do this. Aha! Okay, I think I do. I can copy this stuff. Okay, so that matches, or actually let's just do this. Okay, and here where we're getting product, we instead get value and SKU. We take the SKU and we're not gonna add to cart. We're just going to update cart. Where we take the SKU and instead of quantity we get value. Let's see if that works. Console log hi. Let's see, where do I have to include this? Remove from cart needs to be added to some sort of epic, I know it. combine epics, cart epic, combine epics, change quantity. Get state is not defined. Why is get state not defined? Because we need to take it out of the store. Like that. Woohoo! Okay, it works. Excellent. So now adding products does work. Or like editing stuff. Now, okay, where am I? Console logging. Okay, get status, get add dot, get cz, feature, change quantities during checkout. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so now the only thing that's missing is the quick shop modal. What does that look like? That might actually be pretty quick to add because it is the same as this. Product selector still, max height. Damn it. This max height should be 200 pixels so that it works nicer here. Okay. Okay, whatever. So how do I put this in? Let's see. What is this? I'm assuming it's right. It is the product component. Wonderful. So product component. Now let's find the quick shop. Products JSX, quick shop, click on product preview. Okay, down we have the modal, and here let's say import product from slash product. And what happens if we just render it? How does it know what is the current state? Let's see, maybe it might just work. Maybe it's using the same things. Let's see. Aha. Cannot read property gem product of undefined. Okay, so get Gocommerce data. Where does this data come from? Git grab gem product. How do we decide what that is? So shoe slash Angular, what is defining the product? Okay, let's see. Current quantity selector. Console log state and all of that stuff. And let's see. App, no, carts, checkout, forms, nav, product. I have no idea how this figures out which product to show. The hell just happened out there? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna deploy this for now, and then we're going to figure it out later. Because I am getting tired and unproductive, and that is no good. Okay, git status, git log diff. What did I change? Git z I wish there was a whip work in progress. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, I know. Feature whip, putting product into quick shop, and we push to origin, then we merge to master and deploy and go to bed, and continue this tomorrow morning. Or rather, tomorrow morning I'm going to be doing some other stuff. Git push upstream master. Okay. Cool. Stop Gocommerce. What would I tell myself back when I was 21? So I'm gonna type this out because it's gonna be quicker than trying to say it, because I am tired and English gets hard when I'm tired. Cool. I'm gonna stop live coding now and go to bed. Yeah. I guess tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm writing the weekly email to go out, and I can't brain anymore. I'm probably gonna live stream a little bit tomorrow night when I have to finish this up. So thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you next time.